Okay, here we go. Klx110. I primarily don't work on customer bikes anymore. I tell people no. But this is a buddy of mine, and he picked this thing up. Total cream puff, stock exhaust. I did notice this. It's got a TB cylinder on there, so I don't know if it's big bore. But this thing is in to do. We got a BBR fourth gear to throw in. We're gonna do chain and sprockets. Let's see here. Oh, I'm gonna do a cam and I'm gonna port and polish the head. Okay, so let's tear into this thing. What do we gotta do, Weston?
Drain that oil, drop that engine.
All right, let's get to it. Double T.
Why is it going back and forth?
It's plugging. Need to unscrew this, that's why. Now apparently some people need to hear this. The Klx110 has an oil filter. It's right here. Big old same filter that goes in the 450. Change it. Master links, just showed you before. Let's do it again. Pop. She gone. Okay, oil's all drained. Some plugs, carburetor, exhaust. Ready to drop this thing. Let's get it. Okay, engine's on the bench. It's always something, man. You always find fun things. I found this bolt, and it's been there for a while because it is stuck. Who knows? Okay, like I said, I didn't order a piston yet because I saw this. So, but I did notice that. And when I test rode this thing, it definitely didn't feel like it had a big bore kit. So let's tear it down and find out. The way I like to tear these down, I like to get the cam chain exposed. I get this cover off. We get the cam chain out of there. First you gotta pull the flywheel, but then there's an oil line over here. Then after that, pull the head, pull the cylinder, and then I flip the engine around, work on the right side, pull all that apart, and after that, it's ready to split. Then you split it. That's how I tear down engines. I don't know, right or wrong, whatever, that's the way I do it. Let's go. Okay, got her all torn down, all top ends off. We knew she was burning a little oil. That explains all that carbon. I think there's supposed to be washers that go up here. We're gonna adjust that. We need to make sure that we get a new tensioner. This thing's stripped out. But besides that, the bore pretty good. The piston shows a little bit of wear, but nothing I can feel. Definitely time to be changed, that's for sure. So everything worked in the bottom end. We're just putting a fourth gear in that, so literally this is just going to be this part of the engine. Is going to be just tearing it down and throwing it back together. this part. We're going to be taking the valves out, cleaning up the ports in the head a little bit, throwing a cam in there if we can. I was just looking and I didn't see that they made cams for stock heads, so maybe that's not a possibility. But now we can get the parts coming. Let's go.